Hey, if you're experiencing digestive discomfort or have been diagnosed with anything from IBS to leaky gut to Crohn's to colitis to reflux, well, I've got something really awesome for you. I am so excited to be offering a 5-part virtual class series on herbs for healing the gut. So over these 5 classes, we'll profile different herbs that ease various digestive issues and that support you with assimilation and help with digestion so you're not fatigued after meals, all of that. So knowledge is power, and I love sharing this wealth of knowledge. So these classes are offered over a 5-week period and from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. For more details and complete class descriptions, check this out. And I'm so happy to share this with you. The health seeker in me honors the health seeker in you. Namaste.